All right, I'm gonna see where this goes. There's a bridge up here, an old railroad bridge. It's 11th day of October, 2025. I'm gonna see, I think this leads to it. It used to be an old train trestle. I'm gonna see if we get across the bridge. So this looks like it's a cell phone tower. So we're gonna go through here, see if we can get something. Usually when you're on a YouTube channel, you see something like this, you want to go walk to the bridge and see if we get across it. It's an old train trestle. Shall we? That's an AT&T tower. Let's see. We're gonna see here if I can or can't. Let's see. There we are. Nope. It's an old train trestle. Well, we found it. Let's walk across it. It's abandoned. There we go. So you could, there's a train. There's a couple of factories over here, and I think this was probably went that way across. So I've been walking over here. I dropped somebody off over here. I'm like, I'm gonna walk over here and see what this is. So it's an old railroad bridge. Surprised they haven't torn it down. It probably went that way because there's another one that goes across. I think it's a Coca-Cola place, and they bring the stuff in. So pretty nice bridge. Where they tore the tracks up. Kind of cool. I've gone under it. I'm like, what is that thing? But there's another one on the other side that feeds into it. So I figure, what the hell? Let's do a bridge. Walk across it. It's kind of cool. Old railroad bridge. Good shape. What you could do is make it into a garden or something. Something fun. Put a canopy over it. Live here. Kind of cool. I was listening to a video one day, and guy goes, when you're a YouTuber, you recognize more things that you see. So I don't know how long ago they abandoned the rail line, but it probably went along 52. Things don't get hauled by freight anymore. I'm like, what the hell? Let's take a walk. It's a beautiful day here in Minnesota. It's gorgeous. October 11th, 2025. I got a bad voice. So now it goes into here a little bit. know what that is. Any money in here? No. Anything in there, guys? Just trash. It kind of comes over to here and they want to, but yeah. I figured, what the hell. So the train went through here. You guys did that train one time over there in Bloomington. I thought was kind of cool. I walked on it, but no one really cared. But now it's every other day, so I just figured, what the hell. I drove by it a couple times the other day. We went down to Rochester. I'm like, I'm gonna walk over there. We'll drive over there. So anyways, I figured, what the hell? Follow the trail and see what you find. But anyways, here we go. I figured I'd show you guys something. Short little video this morning. Hope you're enjoying your winter. Anyways, Christmas is coming up. So anyways, guys, one right here. Kind of walked across it. So over here, you can kind of tell the train is over there. It goes into, I think it's a Coca-Cola place. So they probably haul all kinds of freight, and when the train went down the road, they left the bridge. So you probably could have made that into a pedestrian bridge if you wanted to, you know, like a bike trail along the highway or something, which they do a lot of that stuff. So who knows? But there's that trail that I walked on before, you know. It was and I walked that in Bloomington. That was kind of cool. Anyways, old train bridge in Eagan, Minnesota. So anyways, guys, another adventure in the books. Hope you enjoyed the video.